Welcome! Hello! I'm going to show you how to cast on your knitting project. You need a pair of knitting needles and some yarn. I have a bulky weight yarn and size 10 or 10.5 needles to match, but it depends on what is called for your project. Okay, so now let's try casting on. I am using a bulky yarn just to make it easy to see the stitches. Now the first thing we need is a slip knot. So we're going to take our yarn, the nice long tail, we're going to make a twist, we're going to reach through the loop, grab the yarn, and pull it through. Let's try again. Need a loop, twist, reach through like a little baby bird. Reaches through the loop, it grabs the worm, and it pulls it back through. One more time. We want a loop with our tail, put a twist, baby bird goes in, grabs the worm. You need to make sure the worm crosses over. Grabs the worm, pulls it through. Now we've made our slip stitch. Now we take one of our knitting needles, put your slip stitch on the needle, tighten it up. We have our second needle. So we have a knitting needle in each hand. Hold it like a pencil and a grip, whatever we are comfortable with because we're just learning. Right hand, if we're right-handed, that's our working hand. Our left hand is our holding hand. Okay, so I'm going to take my right hand needle and put it through the loop. I'm inside the loop now. Okay, I'm taking my yarn, I'm wrapping it around the back needle. And then my back needle is going to come through, pull the loop up, put it on the needle, and then I tighten it up. Okay, so I have my holding hand, my working hand. I'm going to take my working hand's needle, put it through the front of my loop, take my long piece of yarn, wrap it around the back needle, bring the needle through, pull the loop long, put it on my needle. Let's do it again. Through the front loop, look at it through here. I'm inside the loop. You can even put your needle down if you're working on a table for this step. Take my long bit of yarn, wrap it around the back needle. Then I want this back needle to come up into the loop. Pull the yarn, put it on the needle, tighten it up. So I'm just going to do a few now. Wrap the yarn around the back, peek through, pull the loop up, put it on the needle. Through the loop, wrap the yarn around the back, peek the needle through, pull the loop up, put it on the needle. This is called casting on. If we're making our first little test square, I want you to cast on 12 stitches. See how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each little loop is a stitch. 9, 10, 11. Last one, super slow. Through the loop, wrap the yarn around, peek through, put it on the needle. And now we have cast it on.